Is internet abuse a problem at most companies? Oh yes. Even though companies have policies against internet abuse, it can be a big problem and the source of lost productivity. For example, every year during March Madness, there are tens of thousands of hours spent by employees not working, but watching the college basketball tournament. The lost productivity costs U.S. employers $1 to $2 billion each year. During the Christmas season, a tremendous amount of non-work time is wasted on shopping the internet. Studies show that most internet shopping that occurs during the Christmas season is conducted during normal work hours. That's lost productivity. And then there are those cases of employees looking at pornography when they should be working, and others that are just wasting time on social media sites. These are just a few examples, and even though companies have all types of IT filters in place, they usually are not effective. As the head of Human Resources, I'm concerned about not only solving the internet abuse problems, but also ensuring that our policies are applied and enforced in a fair and equitable manner and in a way that shows respect for our employees. The Accutivity product can enable your company to do both. Treat employees with dignity and respect, and stop internet abuse.